Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you write reports, lesson plans, academic papers, articles or business documents using Claude with Microsoft Word in 2026 can turn Word into powerful AI writing, editing and document automation assistants. In this guide I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Microsoft Word in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and professionally. So basically you have to know that we have three methods to do that. The method number one, manual copy plus AI assistant. Okay, this is the most common one. We have method number two, use Claude for documents creation, and method number three, automation or API integration. Okay, so let's stick into the first one, which is the most common one. So this is the easiest and most widely used method. So copy text from Microsoft Word. So you have, for example, here a paragraph, section, entire documents, copy it and paste content into Claude. Okay, you go to Claude after you copy it and you paste it here. So for example, ask Claude to process or improve it. For example, rewrite this paragraph professionally. After you, for example, you have, you already have paste the paragraph from the Microsoft Word. You just write this or type this after it. Okay, so you can, for example, summarize these documents in bullet points. Okay, so paste Claude output back into Word and review and format as needed. Okay, so best for writing improvements and quick editing. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.